Okay, let's do an exercise. Now, your task in this exercise is to look at the Chicago OSM dataset and find all the top-level tags in this dataset. Now, what we mean by top-level tags are essentially all the distinct different types of tags that you're going to see in this dataset. Okay, so OSM, bounds, node, tag, and so on. What I'd like you to do is loop through this dataset and create a dictionary such that each time you see a particular tag, if that tag isn't already in your dictionary, you add it. At the end, your dictionary should be populated by all of the different types of tags contained in this dataset. Now, the challenge here is that this file is huge. If we take a look at its size, I did that just a little bit ago, we can see that it's just under 2 gigabytes of data. Now, we've talked about two different types of XML parsing in this course. One is tree-based parsing, where we essentially read the entire document into memory and then work with it as nodes on a tree. The other way we've talked about parsing XML is using a SAX parser or doing iterative parsing. We actually looked at the iterparse method for element tree back in lesson 3. And that's what you're going to be doing here. So instead of reading this entire file into memory, what we're going to do with iterparse is parse it one tag at a time. And so essentially, what you're doing here is treating each time you see a tag as an event. And for each one of those events, what we're going to be doing is checking to see from our dictionary whether we've seen a given tag before. And I don't mean this specific tag, rather what I mean is a tag with this name. So bounds, node, tag, etc. If you haven't seen it before, create a new key in the dictionary. And by the time you're done parsing the file, you'll have all the unique tag names. Good luck!